So UK Export Finance is the UK's export credit agency. What we do is we ensure that no viable British export fails for want of finance or insurance from the private market. We offered £3 billion of support last year to 221 companies exporting to 63 countries. And we fill in gaps in the private sector provision of finance and insurance. We essentially help British manufacturers to do three things. First, we help them to win export contracts by offering their customers acceptable finance. The second thing is we help companies to fulfill export orders by helping them to get working capital and bond support from their banks. And the third thing is we help them to get paid for exports by offering them credit insurance against default on payments by their buyers where the private sector can't. So those are the tangible ways in which we offer government support for British exporters in their export journey.